Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the media itself. Check source frame rate and whether clips use variable frame rate. That often causes repeated frames. Once done, create or set your sequence to the primary clip's exact frame rate so Premiere doesn't interpolate frames. Also, clear the media cache and disable GPU decoding briefly to see if driver or hardware acceleration is introducing repeats. These steps eliminate the most common file and project mismatches before deeper troubleshooting. Next, interpret footage so Premiere treats VFR or misread files correctly. Set a fixed frame rate and interpret footage if needed. Then examine timeline playback. Toggle frame blending and adjust playback resolution to confirm whether playback engine or proxy settings cause repeats. Render the problematic section to a preview file. If the rendered output still shows repeated frames, the issue is file-based. If rendering fixes it, you found a playback or cache mismatch and can focus on render settings or cache clearing. For a lasting fix, transcode any variable frame rate or problematic codec to a constant frame rate in Media Encoder or Handbrake and relink or replace clips in your sequence. Once relinked, render the timeline and export a short test file to verify the fix. If repeats persist after transcoding, reset Premiere preferences, clear caches, and try swapping GPU drivers or disabling GPU acceleration. One key troubleshooting tip: if only preview playback shows repeats but exports are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.